KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri joins us live in El Dorado County on Highway 50. This is off of Ice House Road. So, Lizzie, what are conditions like right now? I know you've been out in the elements all day long, so what is it looking like?
Andrea, we did have a break in the snow. We thought it had tapered off for the evening, but I don't know if you can tell, about 10-15 minutes ago it started coming down again. So we're still getting that snowfall, but the good news is if you take a look at Highway 50, hopefully you can see it's a little bit dark, but it's clear of snow, so that's good. Traffic is moving again here. This is a big improvement from what we saw earlier in the day. Take a look. This is not how most people pictured their drive along Highway 50 when they hit the road this morning.
Long drive, kind of nerve-wracking.
The snow they saw coming.
The snow, lots of snow.
But the standstill?
Bring a blanket.
Some people even brought food while they waited it out.
That's the black truck? That's the black truck. Okay.
As Caltrans blocked traffic eastbound on the highway at Ice House Road for avalanche control. They only let PG&E crews continue through the closure to respond after reports of outages.
I can help you right here, sir. Just a burrito?
Like at the nearby Fresh Pond gas station.
It has been slightly chaotic. We've had a power outage a couple of times where we had to reboot all our pumps and online credit card and debit machines and stuff.
Gotta have that working for those customers in need of a quick stop.
How's your day so far?
Good, if I could get home.
To make it through a long drive.
3 hours to get down here from Tahoe.
Oh man, 3 hours? That's crazy.
Many drivers chained up, like Seth Kress coming from Acampo, dealing with these driving conditions.
Cold and rainy, and then it turned into slush, and then now ice and snow, so we're getting through it though.
Getting through it to get to South Lake Tahoe. That's where Jeff Carr and Sarah Sherwood were headed to before a slight change of plans.
Well, that's why we're sledding. We were going to go snowboarding, and then it got a little dicey on the road. Yeah. So we saw this and we were like, oh, let's just sled. We can always come back up. Sherwood
wasn't too disappointed about the detour, though.
We're excited. We're excited. We're gonna go play with the kiddos up there and be kids for the day.
While plenty of people made the most of this fresh snow.
30, 3, 2, 1.
Drivers braving the roads did eventually catch a break too.
Excited,
so excited.
Happy.
Yes.
On the move once again after a 2-hour wait. So now live out here in that same area, you can see traffic is moving, although a few people have pulled over on the shoulder here, maybe getting some things, checking on their chains, because chain controls, have been up throughout the afternoon. But yeah, during that backup, people were outside waiting, stretching their legs, and when they saw the traffic started moving, we just saw tons of people running to their cars, very excited to get going once again. Live here in El Dorado County, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
Lizzie.